automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For your NOAA weather radio, WXJ20, playing on a frequency of 162.400 MHz, located on the Educational Television Tower 10 miles northeast of Columbia. The counties are as follows: Calhoun, Fairfield, Kershaw, Lee, Lexington, Newberry, Orangeburg, Richmond, Saluda, and Sumter counties. This concludes this week's warning alarm test. This was only a test. We will now return you to your normal programming. Here's a look at the lake wind forecast.
Okay, so if you heard faint EOM tones behind WXJ20, that was WXL42. They're interfering with WXJ20, but just know that they and WXJ20 are on the same channel frequency. But yeah, this weekly test through WXJ20. Now, I've already been getting a good couple of weekly tests through WXJ20, but I consider this to be my first that I got out of this townhouse ever since I moved 6 months ago, or May 2024 if you're watching this from the future. And as a matter of fact, this is possibly my second award I've received through WXJ20 over here. And this is also a flash photo one I also got earlier this month, November, which I have a video of. And I used to do more recordings with WXJ20. You can even go on my channel and try and search for WXJ20 for my videos. But a good majority of them are through my apartment, which I don't live at anymore, and that I've also moved out of to move over here to this townhouse, where I don't receive WXJ20 too often in here. Not that they don't come in at all, but they're just not received in the same way that they were at my apartment, since I get both WXL56 and WXL42 here. Then again, I am north of where my apartment was. Meanwhile, WXJ20 is down south. Down south by about 70 to 80 miles from where I am here, and also my apartment. But as far as getting WXJ20 where it's over here in this townhouse is concerned with, this is not only my second ever one, but also my first weekly test received here for WXJ20.